How to scan a code on WhatsApp. To get started, first of all, you need to open up the WhatsApp application on your phone and go to the settings from the bottom right corner of this page. So once you're here on the WhatsApp settings page, you will get to see all of these sections over here. Then tap on this QR icon right next to your profile. Then tap on the scan button over here. And as you can see, it will open your camera. And it will ask you to place the camera right above a QR code, and after that, it will scan the QR code. You can share contacts and link devices using this method. So, by following these simple and easy steps, you can go ahead and scan a code on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.